Hello, here we have a Sony Ericsson Xperia Arc, and I just thought we'd put together a quick comparison video of the Arc against some of the other leading smartphones on the market at this time. So let's take a quick look around the Arc itself. You can see here we've got the Arc design. This actually curves, and hence the reason for the name. The device itself is really quite slim. It's difficult to portray in this video just how slim it is, but it feels really great in the hand considering the size of screen. Let's bring in a couple of the other latest smartphone devices in which we can compare it with. So we've got the Samsung Galaxy S i9000. So as we can see, they are a similar size overall. The Arc is fractionally bigger. The Arc is squarer, whereas the Galaxy S is more rounded. In terms of thickness, there's not an awful lot in it, but the Arc is still fractionally thinner. And that's on the bottom profile there, really not much in it at all. Another popular device at the moment is the Htc Desire HD. This has a more comparable screen size at 4.3 inches in comparison to the 4.2 of the Sony Ericsson Arc. Overall size, very similar. Really not a lot in it at all. Probably the only difference is the fact that the Arc has slightly squarer edges. So if laid flat, feels slightly bigger, but it's actually not, because if we put them side to side like this, the Desire HD actually sits quite a little bit higher. There's probably 5 to 7 millimeters difference. Don't quote me on that. So that's the two devices, and then from the bottom profile there. And another popular device I'll bring in just for comparison's sake is the original HTC Desire. So the Desire is going to be smaller because of the actual screen. So if we're to sit it there like so, you'll actually see that the Arc is indeed bigger. Thickness wise, the Arc is definitely the thinner of the two. I personally use a Desire and struggle to see how much thinner you can actually get it, but HTC have been beaten by Sony Ericsson here on the Arc. So there you go. So that's the Sony Ericsson Xperia Arc side-by-side profile with some of the other popular devices available on the market today. Check out more videos on our YouTube channel.